Hello. I'm Sarah. In this lecture, we'll discuss the epidemiology of dry eye disease, DED. Specifically, we'll refer to its classification, prevalence rates in the general population, and its economic impact. Dry eye disease, DED, is a common chronic multifactorial condition of the ocular surface characterized by either poor quality tear production or insufficient tear quantity to properly hydrate the eyes. DED can be categorized as aqueous deficient dry eye, caused by reduced tear production, and evaporative dry eye, caused by increased tear film evaporation. Only 10% of individuals have aqueous deficient DED, while more than 80% exhibit either the evaporative type, often associated with meibomian gland dysfunction or a combination of both. Approximately 20 million people in the United States, and about 344 million people worldwide, suffer from DED. This number is increasing among both younger and older adults, emphasizing the need for clinicians to identify the best treatment approaches. Prevalence rates range from 5% to 50%, and may reach up to 75% among adults over 40 years old, with women being more frequently affected. Among younger adults, in ages between 18 and 45, only 2.7% experience dry eye disease. The economic burden of DED varies from about $687 per person for mild disease to $1,267 per person annually for severe cases. The total direct cost to the U.S. economy is estimated at $3.80 billion, including over-the-counter products, prescription medications, and punctal plug placement. As DED prevalence increases with age and chronic comorbidities, clinicians should be aware of its signs and symptoms in older adults. Understanding risk factors, medications that increase the likelihood of DED, and the physiological effects of aging can help clinicians detect and manage this chronic condition. This slide provides a list of references for further reading.